Eddie, help me out.
Look at you go.
You press the horn, steering wheel.
Wow.
Look at the mommy. Look at mommy. 1,
Video.
2,
Video.
3. Look. Hi.
Hi.
Driving, eh? Where are you going to drive? You going to go to the car? What? You can check the engine. You check the engine?
You check the engine, Aiden?
Make sure the engine's okay, okay? What's up? Check the engine. Fix. It's all good? Okay, if you want to get on the ride then.
Does it look good, big guy? You want to go back to drive?
What up? Oh, there you go. This is Aiden's tractor.
Rum rum.
Wow. This would be cool to get one of these for him.
I know, eh?
Of course, both